Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today. Okay, let's have a look at the objective of our lesson here today. And of course, by the end of this presentation, you will be able to define a percentage. You'll also be able to understand what percentages are and how they work. And also you'll be able to calculate percentages. Okay, let's look at what is a percentage. The definition of a percentage is a way to express a number as a fraction out of 100. As you can see here we've got a grid, a 10 by 10 grid, gives us 100 blocks. And out of those 100 blocks we have got 12 that have been colored in green. So of course, in this example, we'll be seeing we've got 12% of the grid is shaded green. Because you're going to work it out, 12 out of 100 will give you 12%. Okay, let's look at converting percentages to fractions and decimals. The rule to convert a percentage to a fraction, you divide the percentage by 100 and simplify it. Well, that's a lot said. Example, 25% equals us with 25 over 100, but this is not in a simplest form. So we have to take the fraction to its simplest form. So 25 over 100, 25 goes into 25 one time and into 100 four times, so we will end up with 1/4 or 1 over 4. Great, still converting percentages to fractions and decimals this time. Last time we converted to a fraction, this time we'll be converting to a decimal. A lot easier. The rule to convert a percentage to a decimal, you move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Wow. Now how difficult is that? Example, 25% will equal us with 0.25, because all we've done is we've moved our decimal point 2 places and we get 0.25. Wow, that's so easy, huh? Great. Next station is calculating the percentage of a number. Let's have a look. The formula to do that is percentage of a number equals us the percentage that you want divided by 100 multiplied by the number. Wow. Let's look at it. The example, what is 23% of 50? So if we take our formula, it's 23 divided by 100 times 50, and that should give us 11.5. Okay, let's look at practice problem number 1. Wow. The question is, what is 45% of 80? Now at this stage, guys, I would recommend that you pause the video, and of course that after you've paused the video, do your solution, and once you're done with the solution, continue watching the video.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Right, I assume you have paused the video and you have done your solution, and let's have a look at it. The solution is the formula from the previous page. The percentage of a number is the percentage divided by 100 multiplied by the number. So in this case it's 45 divided by 100 times 80, and that gives us 36. So if you've got the answer correct, guys, congratulations. If you don't have it correct, please watch the video once again. Okay, let's look at finding the percentage of a number. A problem in a class of 30 students, 12 students like pizza. So what percentage of the students like pizza? Let's look at the solution. Right, the formula, of course, according to the previous, percentage of a number equals us to the part number. In this case the part is going to be 12 and our whole number is 30, and we multiply that by 100. So as I said, 12 divided by 30 times 100, and that gives us 40% of the kids Like pizza, huh? That's very nice. Who doesn't like pizza? Great. Let's go and look at another practice problem. Practice problem number 2. Let's look at it. Well, in a class of 20 students, 4 students failed the exams. What percentage of students failed? Right, once again, guys, please pause the video, do your solution, and once you've done the solution, you can continue watching to check that you've got your answer correct.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay, I assume that you have paused the video, you have done your solution. Let's check. Here it comes, the solution. Percentage of a number equals with the part number divided by the whole number times 100. There it is, 4, which is the part number, 20, which is the whole number, multiplied by 100, and that gives us 20%. Wow, we are really becoming rocket scientists over here. Okay, let's have a look at the percentage increase. When something just increases in a percentage, the formula is percentage increase equals us to the new value minus the original value divided by the original value multiplied by 100. Right, let's look at an example. If the price of a shirt increases from $20 to $25, what is the percentage increase? The solution? There's our formula once again. Percentage increase equals the new value minus the original value times 100. Let's have a look at it. So it is a new value, which is then $25. There it is. Minus the original value, which is $20, divided by the original value multiplied by 100. And that should give you 25%. Wow. Great. Let's look at another practice problem number 3 already. Okay, a student's score in the test increased from 70 to 84. Well, that's very good. What is the percentage increase? Once again, guys, pause the video and do your solution, and once you've done your solution, we can have a look at it, right?
Hey, you must pause the video.
And of course, here comes the solution. Percentage increase is the new value minus the original value divided by original value times 100. Oops, there the formula came in too late. Anyhow, it's okay. That it gives us the new value is 84. There it is, the new value. That's the new points, the highest points you got now. Minus the original, or the original value, which is then 70, divided by the original value and multiplied by 100. And that should give us a 20%. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, let's look at the percentage decrease. Your formula is percentage decrease is the original value minus the new value divided by the original value multiplied by 100. Example, if the price of a laptop decreases from 800 to 720, what is the percentage decrease? Let's look at the solution. Percentage decrease is the original value minus the new value divided by the original value multiplied by 100. So that gives us 800, the original price, minus the new price, 720, divided by the new value times 100. So it equals us with a 10% decrease. Great, guys. I hope you understand it. Great, man. This is wonderful. Let's look at some real-life applications. Examples of real-life applications. Sales discounts, where you're buying something you get a discount. Taxes, where you're paying a percentage of your earnings as tax. Interest rates, when you're buying something on credit, you pay interest rates normally. Tips, what percentage of the bill you're giving to somebody as a tip, or whatever the case might be. Your exam grades, test grades, etc. Guys, it's just so many cases of percentages. You'll be using it almost every day of your life.